let's do an audible. We're thinking football here because it's football season. This is a farm audible. It's alive. It's full of body and life and texture. It's what spinach is supposed to be like. Spinach. It may possibly be the single greatest thing that we grow. This is an entire field of spinach. It's gentle, saltiness, it balances, it's creamy, the textures, the sweetness. This stuff is delicious. Guys, it's the peak time of the year for our spinach. Make it a side dish. Make it the center of the plate. Let's take this over to Chef Jamie and see what kind of magic he can work at the Culinary Vegetable Institute. I can't wait to see what he creates with this.
I've never had spinach like this. I've never heard of spinach like this. I didn't know spinach could do this. We're gonna play into that a little bit. I'm gonna take these cups and look at like oysters, Rockefeller. I want this spinach leaf to be the vessel. We'll just do like a half a dozen oysters here. So we've got this butter with whole leaves of spinach and stems. Basically lay these down right on top of this guy. And that's it, real quick. So we've got this bechamel. It's mushrooms and onions and dairy. We've put it in a siphon here, and I just want to kind of, you'll see, just put a little bit of that in here. We'll top it with some chive, some horseradish. Horseradish, not much. And then a little chive. And these things are amazing. A nice tribute to spinach, you know, like what other leaf of spinach have you had where you could really, literally, you know, hold something and it's amazing. So we'll take some of that liquid.
I'd put this against anything in the world. Get the Chef's Garden spinach right now.